Let's dive into the world of Go programming. Go, also known as Golang, is a modern programming language developed by Google. It's designed to be simple, reliable, and efficient. In this introduction, we'll uncover what makes Go special and why it has gained so much popularity in recent years. Get ready to discover Google's modern programming language. Google created the Go programming language to address specific problems they faced in software development. Some key issues included slow compilation times, complex dependency management, difficulties in concurrent programming, and the overall overhead of language complexity. To solve these issues, Go provides lightning-fast builds, a built-in package system, native concurrency support, and a simple, clean syntax. Go's design is guided by a core philosophy that emphasizes simplicity and effectiveness. Less is more is a key principle, focusing on eliminating unnecessary complexity while still providing powerful capabilities. Embracing the idea that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Another important aspect is to do one thing well, which promotes focusing on core functionality with clear, readable code. It is said that clarity is better than cleverness. Go has several key features that set it apart from other programming languages. These include fast compilation, which allows you to compile large codebases in seconds rather than minutes. Go is also statically typed, so it can catch errors at compile time, thus ensuring type safety. Finally, Go features garbage collection, which provides automatic memory management without needing manual cleanup. One of Go's most significant strengths is its support for concurrency, which is simplified through Goroutines and Channels. Here's an example of how Goroutines work. We define a main function, inside which we launch two Goroutines, say hello and say world. These Goroutines run concurrently. The program then waits for 1 second to allow these routines to complete. Goroutines are lightweight threads, and Go has built-in communication through channels, eliminating callback complexity, and can scale to millions of Goroutines. Go delivers exceptional performance, making it ideal for demanding applications. Compared to other languages, Go offers compilation speeds that are 10 times faster, memory usage that is reduced by 50%, small and static binary sizes, and startup times measured in milliseconds. These advantages stem from native machine code compilation, an efficient garbage collector, single binary deployment, and cross-platform builds. Go is perfectly suited for modern development needs. It excels in microservices architectures, enabling the creation of lightweight and fast application programming interfaces with excellent concurrency support. It is great for cloud-native applications, enabling scalable cloud applications and serverless functions. Go is used for DevOps tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and infrastructure automation. It is also great for high-performance web servers and representational state transfer application programming interfaces, fast, cross-platform command line applications, proxies, load balancers, and distributed systems. So why should you choose Go? Go delivers a perfect balance with a simple syntax and powerful features. It provides fast compilation and execution, built-in concurrency support, a strong standard library, and an excellent tooling ecosystem. All of these features make it perfect for back-end web development, microservices architecture, cloud-native applications, DevOps and automation, and high-performance systems. Are you ready to start your Go journey? Let's explore Go programming together. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.